Began in 1987. There's a need for equipment that can power aircraft off of the utility power. And the way that was done previously was very inefficient. Only about 64%, 67% efficient. And we and others worked on a solid state method of doing it that is much more efficient. We approach 91 to 93% efficiency, which helps save a lot of money for the airports, the airlines, the operators. And in 3 years of operation, you can save enough on your electric bill to pay for the cost of a unit.
The most important part of our process, if you will, is really the engineering and designing up front. And we are heavy on the engineers. As you look at our competitors, our percentage of engineers on total staff is much greater than what a lot of our competitors are. So the design is key. Once we get the design, the customer accepts it, then we order the parts comes in, we do a sub-assembly, which is a lot of control wiring that goes into that part. As the components are put together, then we build the overall unit, and the enclosure is a key part of it. And then as the units get built, the last and equally important area of our process is the testing side of it, where we look at all the specifications that we have to meet for that particular project, test against those, and then verify, yep, the units are good to go, then we ship. That whole process between the design, getting materials in, the building, the testing, that whole process, 2 to 2.5 months.
We've gained a reputation of being problem solvers. People come to us with problems and we come up with solutions. People still come to us when they've decided there's nobody else in the world that can do it, and we usually figure out a way. So we've always built the largest frequency converter in the world. We did it back in 1989. We did it again in 2009. And to date, we still have built the largest solid-state frequency converter in the world.
You asked a question earlier, what makes us different? And I think more than anything, two things do. We are engineering based, and we provide solutions. A competitor, they will tell you, if you need a unit, this is the unit we have. Buy it. Where we will say, what do you need?
There are a number of application unique situations out there in the world where that cookie cutter unit doesn't cut it. It's not going to work, and they need something a little different, a little special. That's where we come into the picture. I mean, it's a cliche, but we think outside the box. We think beyond the standard unit, and sometimes it's just packaging. We've done some really unique packaging of same electrical designs. As somebody had a limited space for our unit to fit in, it might have been an odd shape. Nobody else had a standard unit that would fit in that particular location.
Service stands apart for us. Anywhere in the world, if somebody has an issue, they call our service line, and one of our people, one of our service technicians, will answer the phone. It won't be an answering machine. It won't be an answering service. Our people answer the phone, and we've tried to lean on those types of aspects that are difference makers for us to grow our business from that standpoint.
One other big advantage we have is we're in West Virginia, and the employees that we have extra pride in their work and their craftsmanship, and they add a little something special to units that I don't think our competitors can compete with.
We do have a very hardworking, good, loyal workforce. We have about 70 employees right now. 36 of those employees have been here 10 years or longer. We have 5 employees that have been here 25 years or longer. So our people stay, they work hard, and it means something. The craftsmanship really means something to them.
Yeah, we were recently awarded the E-Star Award for exporting as one of the top exporters in the state. It's an exclusive award. There's, I think nobody in West Virginia has previously won the E-Star Award.
You're a global entity, although you don't think much of it. You tend to, keep thinking of your West Virginia heart and roots. But it's very humbling to get a presidential award for the work that you've done that has basically expanded us around the world.
Throughout the years, the 29 years, we've got products, units installed in literally every continent. I myself, when I came to the company, questioned Antarctica. I thought, where on the earth could we have somebody on a unit in Antarctica? But for confirmation, we're actually in a weather science station. With our unit there, so we literally have a unit in every continent across the world, and that's something not everybody can say.